In this quick guide, you'll learn how to block buyers from certain countries on eBay. Whether you're a part-time seller or running a full-scale e-commerce operation, managing where you ship your products is crucial. Blocking buyers from specific countries can help you avoid complications related to international shipping, customs, and other logistical issues. Let's dive into the steps to set up these restrictions effectively. First, open your preferred web browser or navigate to ebay.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate the Sell button. You can find it conveniently situated at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Sell will redirect you to the selling dashboard, where you manage your listings and other important aspects of your seller account. Now that you're in the selling interface, look for the listing option. This will typically be prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Clicking on Listing will guide you to a section where all your current and past listings are managed. It's the hub for all things related to your eBay sales. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find an option labeled Business Policies. Click on this to access the section where you can define and modify various policies that govern your eBay store. Business policies on eBay help streamline your selling process by allowing you to manage shipping, returns, and payments all in one place. Within the Business Policies section, look for the Create Policy button. Clicking on this button will enable you to establish a new policy tailored to your needs. The policy you're about to create will specifically address your shipping preferences, including excluding certain countries from your shipping list. Once you've clicked Create Policy, you'll be presented with several options. Choose the Shipping option to begin setting up shipping-related preferences. This is where you'll define how and where you ship your products, and importantly, where you don't. With the Shipping Policy screen open, it's time to give your new policy a name. Enter a memorable and descriptive name for the policy. This name will help you easily identify it later, especially if you manage multiple policies. Now scroll down through the options until you find a section labeled Preferences. This is where you can fine-tune specific details about how you want your shipping policy to operate. In the Preferences section, look for the option that says Exclude Locations. This is the key feature that allows you to block buyers from certain countries. Click on Exclude Locations and you'll see a list of all available countries. Select the countries you wish to exclude from your shipping options. This selection will ensure that buyers from those countries cannot purchase your items. It's a straightforward process. Simply check the boxes next to each country you want to exclude. After you've made your selections, click the Done button to confirm your choices. This action will save your excluded locations within the policy. Finally, click Save to store all the changes and activate the policy. By saving the policy, it becomes effective immediately, and the selected countries will be excluded from your future listings. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a shipping policy to block buyers from certain countries on eBay. This simple yet powerful tool can help you streamline your international shipping, protect yourself from potential customs issues, and ensure a smoother selling experience. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if your shipping strategy changes over time. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on eBay.